Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are doing a liquid eyeshadow routine today. The ones I will be using today are the shade Wild, Overt, and Ornate. So first thing I am going to do is I'm going to get the shade Overt, which is just kind of a medium brown shade. And we're going to use that as our transition shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a little bit up here. And we are going to use this cream shadow brush to blend it out. And I'm going to swipe it down onto the lid as we blend it out. And as you can see, a little bit goes a long way with these. So they blend out beautifully, which is great, but you do not need too much, and so it lasts a really long time. Blend that out, working quickly before it dries. Oh no. And so they go on liquid and dry to a matte finish, which is fantastic. Now I am going to use this blending brush to just blend it out. Okay, and now I am going to get the shade Ornate. Again, a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the lid. We're going to blend it out quickly. All right, and once I've gotten that, I am going to get this shade Wild, and I'm going to do, which is kind of just like a plum nude, plummy brown. I'm going to put just a little bit on the outer corner. And then we're going to blend that out. Then I'm just going to get the blending brush and we're just going to blend everything together. Okay, and I am going to pop on a little bit of eyeliner. I've got the shade Prim here, which is just a light brown. Okay, and last thing that we are going to do is get some of this eye primer, and then we are going to do some mascara. I think I called this eye primer. This is lash primer. Eye primer is for your lids. Okay, and then after we have given the primer a minute to dry, we are going to come in with this Epic Twist mascara, which is amazing. It has biotin and all these amazing things in it that help to nourish and strengthen your lashes while you wear it. So it's kind of like a lash serum in a mascara. And I start with this baby one first to get right at the root and work it up towards the tip and to help get the inner corner. And then the lower lash line, I just focus it towards the outer corner. And it's just the perfect size for that, so I don't get any on the bottom. And it doesn't make it look too thick or heavy. And then we have this bigger wand. And this is what gives us length and volume. And then of course we can't forget to draw on our brows. We've got the brow palette here and the spoolie brush. Okay, and there you have it. This is the final look. Alright, thanks you guys for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye.